In this video tutorial, let us get into the details of the functional components. Functional components are literally the JavaScript functions which can optionally receive an object or properties which is referred to as props and return HTML which describes the user interface or UI. Here HTML is something known as JSX, but for the sake of understanding from the beginner's point of view, let us assume call it as HTML. So functional components are JavaScript functions which receive object or properties as input and return HTML which describe the UI. So now to look these functional components in action, let us open the Visual Studio Code editor. So for sake of simplicity, I have omitted all the HTML in the app.js file except the outer div tag here. So now before creating the component, let us create a new folder, components. Once we have created a components folder, now let us create a file named as greet.js. The first step to name a file, we have to use a Pascal syntax file naming convention, and the first step is to import React from React library, and then we have to create a function name as greet, and now we have to return a text, return an HTML tag h1 which says hello Amit. Now we will not be able to see the text hello Amit in the browser because the file greet.js is in no way connected to the rest of the application, so we need to export it by using the export default statement. Save it, and also we need to import this greet functional component, greet.js file. We need to import in the app.js file from the components folder. Importing greet.js, we can omit here .js extension here, and we need to include it in the app component by specifying the custom greet tag, custom HTML tag. Now if there is no content in the greet tag, we can use the self-closing tag also. Save this file, and now we should be able to see the text hello Amit in the displayed in the browser. Now here we have used the syntax to create a function greet here. There is alternate way to create this greet function here using the statement, using the fat arrow syntax, const greet equal to empty parenthesis fat arrow syntax, and which returns h1 tag which says hello Amit. So again we should be able to see the text hello Amit in the browser, and this syntax is rather concise as compared to the previous one. And if you are new to this arrow syntax, please get a basic understanding of this arrow syntax, because in the upcoming videos we are going to use this arrow syntax a lot in our whole React JavaScript series. Now because we have exported the functional component greet here using by default export, we can here write any component name. For example, in this case my component, we can replace it with my component. Save it, and again we should be able to see the text hello Amit in the web browser. But there is another way to, which is called as named export. So we have to delete this file, delete this line, export default greet component. So we can use the named export by prepending the word export before the const statement, and if we save this file, we should rather receive now an error which says attempted import error. The file greet does not contain a default export and rather it is imported as my component. So whenever you are using named export, in this case we have to keep the function name as it is. So within curly braces greet, and again here we need to write greet. So now we should be able to see the text hello Amit again in the web browser. So this is all about functional components. I will see you in the next video with the class components.